Imagine you're building a high-performance gaming PC or a content creation workstation, but the motherboard you're considering just can't deliver the power and features you need. That's where the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 comes in, a formidable AM4 motherboard designed to support the latest Ryzen processors and handle demanding workloads with finesse. This product addresses a significant market gap in the current AMD motherboard landscape. With the rapid evolution of Ryzen processors and the need for improved power delivery, efficient thermal management, and advanced connectivity options, the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 is more than equipped to bridge this gap. First impressions of the motherboard are impressive, with a rugged aesthetic that exudes build quality. The motherboard boasts an all-steel design with a silver finish, complemented by an extensive heatsink system and a robust PCB layout that's ready for overclocking. The design of the motherboard makes it an ideal candidate for DIY assembly, thanks to features like pre-installed I/O armor and well-spaced mounting holes. Now, let's dive into some of the most important features of the motherboard. The motherboard is built around a digital twin 10 plus 3-phase VRM solution, ensuring reliable power delivery to the Ryzen processor. The VRM heatsinks feature enlarged designs layered with high-performance thermal pads for efficient heat dissipation. This powerful power delivery system is further enhanced by the use of premium chokes and capacitors. Another highlight of the motherboard is its impressive thermal management system. The advanced thermal armor features enlarged VRM heatsinks, which are layered with 5 watts per meter Kelvin thermal pads to facilitate better heat dissipation. This means that even during intense workloads, the motherboard will remain cool and stable. In terms of connectivity, the motherboard boasts an impressive suite of options. The Wi-Fi 6 Gig Plus module provides fast and reliable wireless connectivity, while the GB LAN port offers a rock-solid wired connection for those who prefer a more stable connection. Furthermore, the motherboard features PCIe 4.0 slots, which enable faster storage and graphics performance. For memory performance, the motherboard supports DDR4 memory and can accommodate up to 4 DIMMs with AMD's Expo memory technology. This offers users a range of memory configurations to choose from, depending on their specific needs. Now, let's put the motherboard through its paces in some real-world testing scenarios. I've used this motherboard for building a high-performance gaming PC, and I can confidently say it delivers. With a Ryzen 9 5900X processor, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory, and a high-end graphics card, the motherboard effortlessly handled 4K gaming and content creation workloads. One potential trade-off to consider is the relatively high power consumption of the motherboard, particularly under heavy workloads. However, this is somewhat mitigated by the motherboard's efficient thermal management system and high-quality power delivery components. On the plus side, the motherboard featured a range of convenient connectivity options, including USB-C ports, audio capacitors, and high-quality Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. RGB fusion support also adds a touch of color to the motherboard, making it a stylish addition to any PC build. Compared to competing options, the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 stands out for its robust power delivery and thermal management systems. While other motherboards may match its feature set, few offer the same level of build quality and performance. If you're in the market for a high-performance AMD motherboard that can handle demanding workloads, look no further. The GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 is an exceptional motherboard that delivers on its promises and exceeds expectations. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 is a top-notch motherboard that offers a winning combination of power, features, and build quality. With its robust power delivery system, advanced thermal management, and impressive connectivity options, it's an ideal candidate for building a high-performance gaming PC or content creation workstation. If you're serious about building a top-tier PC, I highly recommend giving the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 a closer look. With its exceptional performance and feature set, it's the perfect choice for anyone who demands the best.